Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're talking about something that powers every app you use, a P-is. Before we dive in, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss future tech breakdowns. Every app you use, Instagram, WhatsApp, even Google, relies on something called an API. But what exactly is an API? And why does it matter? API stands for Application Programming Interface. Sounds complicated, but it's actually simple. An API is just a way for two systems to talk to each other. Imagine you're in a restaurant. You don't go into the kitchen to cook your food. You tell the waiter what you want. The waiter goes to the kitchen and brings your food back to you. In this example, you are the user. The kitchen is the server and the waiter is the API. The API takes your request and returns a response. When you open an app like Instagram, your phone sends a request to an API. The API fetches data from a server and sends posts back to your screen. All of this happens in seconds. APIs can do different things: get, fetch data; post, send data; put, update data; delete, remove data. These are the basic actions behind most apps. Without APIs, apps couldn't communicate. Websites wouldn't load dynamic content, and most modern technologies simply wouldn't work. So next time you scroll through your feed, remember, there's an API working quietly behind the scenes. If this helped you understand APIs, smash that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment saying API below. Because in the next video, we'll actually build a real API step by step, and trust me, you'll want to see that.